Add some classic color to your guitar, bass, drums, vocals, or whatever you want with the Waves Scheps 73 plugin. I'm Zane from AudioTechTV.com, and today I'm going to do a quick Waves Scheps 73 review. Now, this plugin is based on the Neve 1073 EQ and preamp module that's being used on thousands of songs. It can add some desirable saturation to your tracks, and it gives you a decent EQ to work with too. And if you head over to Waves, they often have sales on, and you can grab this plugin for just $30, sometimes less. I've included a link in the description to Waves so you can easily click it, check out the latest pricing, and get some more info on the Waves Scheps 73. Now let's jump in and check out how it sounds. First, let's try it out on bass guitar. Now I'll try it out on various individual drums and then on the drum bus itself. Going over the controls a bit, we have the preamp control that can toggle on and off. This increases the amount of harmonic distortion that you add to your track. Even if it's in the default state, it will still add a bit of color to your audio. If you go over here to the drive section and turn it on, it turns this plugin into a distortion generator. And then down here you have your EQ controls. The outer ring of these knobs sets the frequency that you want to adjust, and the inner knob controls how much of that frequency that you want to add or remove. So we heard the Scheps 73 on bass guitar and some drums. Now let's listen to it on guitar. I'm sure this will sound great on vocals too, but I don't have any vocal tracks to test it on. However, I will test it out on some synth tracks. I'm a huge fan of adding saturation and color to my tracks, as it can really help to set your sound apart from everyone else and give you a nice vintage sound. In my opinion, this is a great plugin for adding a nice color to my guitar, bass, drums, and some synth sounds. I'm hoping to get some vocals done soon, and I'm sure I'll enjoy it on those too. If you want that classic 1073 sound and don't want to shell out thousands of dollars for the hardware unit or even hundreds of dollars for a hardware clone, the Waves Scheps 73 is a great plugin to add that sound to your tracks. If you want to check out more plugin videos, click up here, or click down here to see what YouTube thinks you should watch next. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thank you so much for watching. For Simple Green Tech, I'm Zane. Keep creating, and we'll talk soon.